Hello viewers, today we dive into the world of very beautiful, sweet and delicious cake designs, cake ideas for Xmas. So viewer, these designs are very interesting and very popular and very easy to make also. You can get best ideas for this festival and make your festival sweet and happy. So this is not just only a cake decoration, it's a happiness, it's a welcoming feelings and togetherness feelings. So these are very beautiful designs. Attach some pine cone tree style and mostly cake made by tree style and beautiful green, red and white touch. So these are very beautiful designs for this season, this festival, and you can learn it and try different types of designs, different types of idea. Attach some ornaments on cake, attach some pine cone and blue and red and golden balls also. Red is for bright color, red is a bright color, so it's a favor of joy, and golden theme is a flavor of happiness, you can imagine like that. So attach some joysticks and some colorful beads, some colorful ornaments like this. So and you can add a ribbon first of just for appearance, and make some cream trees ribbon bows and beautiful red balls, green cream taste. Very beautiful design these are. So if you want to make cake, so you also grow your business with it. And these festivals is not just about togetherness, happiness. It's a time to you can grow your business, you can build your business, and very beautiful ideas to get these videos. These popular designs we are bringing for you, for our viewers and subscribers. These designs, and we are trying to bring for you very best designs. And also you can make, if you made simple cakes, so it looks also very nice. Add some leaves style, add some beautiful style of cream, and you can add a gift set like that, and add some joystick, add some, you can one more thing, you can add some chocolate on this, and this look very delicious and kids also want to eat that and crazy for that. So what do you think about this, and tell me about cake house, and what do you think about this? Leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload whatever you want to watch. If you want to watch something different, something beautiful, so make some different designs, make some cake style, house style cake, and grow your business with your mind and your artistic mind. The three-layer cake, it's a very nice and beautiful, and add some joysticks, houses, trees, cinnamon. Not cinnamon flavor, but I don't really like cinnamon in cake. So if you want to watch, add some bunties, add some colorful ornaments. You can add bunties, colorful bunties, cherries, red cherries. It looks very delicious. So add some chocolate strip with blocks, and kids definitely love with it. So these are very beautiful and delicious looks. Add some gingerbread men, snowflakes, buttering with something healthiest cream. So if you use healthy cream, so it would be really very best for you. So thank you for watching. If you like the video,